Hey guys, in less than a month, ISU will host its very first online alumni conference from August 7 to 9. It will run continuously for 48 hours, so wherever you are in the world, you will have the opportunity to interact with all the ISU community like never before.
You're right, this will be an incredible experiment. After the opening by ISU President Juan de Delmo, the NASA Administrator Jim Bridenstine will kick off the conference with a keynote. Then there will be a few NASA lectures about the conference general themes: commercial space, human spaceflight, the moon, and science.
And one of the featured guests from NASA is fan favorite lecturer for the ISU classes, Jim Green, talking about the science exploration of the moon and Mars.
Hi, I'm Jim Green, NASA's Chief Scientist, and I'll be going to the ISU Alumni Conference on August 7th through 9th, 2020.
I can't wait to hear what Jim Green has to say. Then there will be 24 hours of panels organized regionally to suit everyone's time zones and interests.
The topics and speakers are decided regionally, so they will be diverse and interesting.
For example, I will be moderating an entrepreneurship panel with entrepreneurs from Europe and Asia. And there will be more panels like this.
Of course, one of the Alumni Conference goals is to chat with fellow classmates and meet new alumni. We're using a new breakout room technology that allows you to move around different floors within a room and interact with other people, sort of like just in real life. It's still in beta, so let's hope it works out.
On Sunday, we want to relax and have fun, so we're preparing games to entertain you.
And I'll organize a couple of gym sessions to keep you guys fit.
And on Sunday, come join our Space Outreach Workshop to see how more people can join our space world.
We'll have 3 sessions for participant talks. If you want to give a talk, please fill out the form.
And of course, as is tradition, the Space Masquerade Ball will be held on Saturday. Bring your most beautiful space costume.
You want to know more about this truly extraordinary event? Come visit the conference website and don't forget to register on Eventbrite.